junkyard Jetta. This thing sounds wicked, my God. And of course, we managed to blow up a diesel Jetta, and it left us stranded 45 minutes away like all our project cars do over here. We're about to fix it like some backyard mechanics. Let's get into it. Now this is what it sounds like stock, eco mode. But we're about to delete everything and we're gonna show you what it sounds like truly when it's done.
We are on the side of the highway. Our belt snapped, our serpentine belt, and it is smoking currently. We're about 30 minutes from home, so we're gonna see if we can limp this thing home. Maybe take the belt off and limp it home.
Well, half the process is done. We removed the serpentine belt. Now we need to go buy a new belt and pull it on. My question is this thing gonna start without a belt? Because I really don't know. It's driven by the alternator. Somehow we managed to drive it 30 minutes back with no alternator, no AC, and also no power steering. It was not a fun drive, but we made it back. That's what's important.
We finally got the parts in. We got our new AC compressor since that seized up. We also got the dryer and everything needed. And we got our new serpentine belt. So we're gonna get these put on so the car can actually run and it's not running off of the battery.
So here's the adventure part, right? I've never in my life done an AC compressor before. So we're gonna figure out today if we screw it up or not, because I am not paying $1,300 for a shop to do my work. Also, thankfully we have Rock Auto. I was able to get this compressor for 120 bucks. So we're gonna slap it on, we're gonna put this belt on, and we're gonna have this car running again, hopefully. New compressor, guys, this is what happened. Let me show you a demonstration. Clutch stopped spinning. Belt got sent to the moon because of that. Got the new compressor. I don't think it's gonna have any AC at the moment, but I don't care. It's the middle of January. We're just doing this so the car can drive again. Oh my God, this is a long ass bolt. Don't want to break these, that's for sure. Pretty sure it's loose. Guys, please subscribe to our channel so we can go buy a lift. It would mean a lot because I hate working on the ground.
Alright, there's the other goal.
You know, that ain't coming out. Guys, I'm struggling.
The front is completely loose. Oh my God.
I'm done buying $1,000 project cars. The guy who owned this was an idiot, and unfortunately I'm dealing with that now. The compressor was wired basically to start every time you flip a switch in the interior, because the ACC system, which powers on the compressor, broke. He was cheap and he never fixed that. So now I have to deal with removing the wires and figuring out how to redo everything now.
So yeah, the wiring, he did this nonsense. We gotta remove the red wiring he put on because that's connected to our battery. So when we cut the green and black wires down below, it won't cause an issue. Alright, red gone. Those we're gonna put electrical tape under and zip tie it up. Alright, that's good like that. It is the next day. We had originally got the first line out, but we have a stripped bolt. So, yeah, we're trying, we've been working on it. This is our...
All this for one bolt. I already destroyed my head under this car. I mean, this is ridiculous. All for one stupid bolt.
Yeah, look at this under here. So we got the first line out, but this line over here is fully stripped, the bolt on the inside. Guys, we got the screw out. We did evac the system at a shop, so as you can see, nothing's coming out.
I fucking did it!
Yeah, nothing's coming out because we already evac the system.
We sacrificed this. We're just gonna have to return it now and say it was default factory, and you know, we're gonna have to go get another one for free because this one is broken. So we'll go do that, get another free one. And yeah, we're gonna continue working on this car, hopefully finish it today. Hopefully we'll, you know how to put the belt back on correctly, and then we can go roll coal on some Teslas. All right, I mean, it looks the same.
Yeah,
I mean,
it should be.
Wrong, but it really does.
It looks the same.
Same. Like the compressor. See how this is spinning freely?
Yeah.
And this is locked? That is what destroyed it, and what's costed us this whole job was because the clutch locked up on the compressor.
Alright, now it's time to get our serpentine belt on. This is our diagram. That's how it's supposed to go on. And this is how it really looks. No! Oh.
I got her. Guys, should I do this? I'm thinking I'll just show a belt whipping on the highway. Guys, so also this is why, you know, it takes us like 3 days to do something, because like 90% of the time we're just like messing around the whole time.
We had to go back to Harbor Freight to get another tool. We needed our serpentine belt kit. Anyways, this is now going to help us get our belt on.
Oh my God, we need this.
We got it on. Here is it from the top. Here is our AC compressor. It's fully on that one. This is our tensioner pulley. Works pretty good. You just push it. You just push it this way to open it up, and then all the other ones are completely on. There's two up there, and then the very top one. Everything should be lined up good to where we can get the car started up, and hopefully we did our job right and everything runs great.
I hope we did it right, bud.
We never showed you, we did get a new plate though for this. We got our custom plate in, TDI plate, and it's got the NASCAR. This is like, dude, this thing is cool. Since we finally got the car fixed, we're gonna actually hear how this exhaust sounds for the first time. Let's get into it.
This thing may not be fast. Actually, this thing is not fast at all. But it sounds good. It's cheap as hell, and that's all that matters. I love this little Jetta, man. Just one simple mod turned this thing crazy. Next time you're gonna see us, we're gonna like put a crazy tune on this Jetta and roll coal. You know, we also live in the Carolinas where those ugly squatted trucks are taking over the streets rolling coal. And you know, what better way to dominate them by rolling coal on them with a little shitty Jetta. By the way, I hate squatted trucks. If I could right now, I would mulch one. I think it's the ugliest thing ever. Yeah, I just had to get that off my chest. I hate squatted trucks.